तो मैं डॉक्टर एल के झा आप सभी छात्रों को नववर्ष की ढेर सारी शुभकामना के साथ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। लेटेस्ट क्वेश्चन इन इंग्लिश मीडियम मेंस एग्जाम 69 in this video. First of all, section 3 question number 8. First of all, this equation, this figure given by question, the study of pie diagram given below carefully, which represent the expenditure of two families 1 and 2, फैमिली 1 फैमिली 2, यानी दो परिवारों के कंपैरेटिव स्टडी का जो है सो प्रेजेंटेशन इन दिस क्वेश्चन इज गिवन। सो द एनुअल इनकम ऑफ फैमिलीज 1 and 2 आर 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs, यानी in this question income equals to 4 lakh or expenditure also 4 lakhs, because this plus this plus this plus this equals to 100%. So in this question we keep in mind total income 4 lakh, so we keep in mind total expenditure also 4 lakhs. Similarly, family 2 total income 5 lakhs and expenditure also 5 lakh, because this item plus this item plus this item plus this item equals to 100%. So 100% equals to income or expenditure. तो फैमिली वन expend different items. Education is one item, food is another item, mix items and house rents. There are 4 types of items expenditure by family 1, and another family same items, education 1, food 2nd, and mixed item 3rd, and house rent 4th item is 4th. So 100% total income, annual income यानी वार्षिक आय 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs. So in this data we can proceed further. Next part of this question. First of all, first question is how much less or more amount, yani of money, amount of money, keep in mind amount of money is spent on education, yani education is a one sector in this pie chart. So family 2 and family 1 both consider educational sector by family 2. हिंदी में इसका अनुवाद हुआ परिवार 2 परिवार 1 की अपेक्षा कितना कम और अधिक शिक्षा पर व्यय करता है, एजुकेशन हो गया. सो दिस इज द 8A. 8B, which one of the two families 1 and 2 spends more amount of money on food. In this question food item keep in mind and how much, कितना अधिक, कितना खर्च करता है और कितना अधिक, यानी एक और दो परिवारों में से कौन भोजन पर अधिक खर्च करता है धन का और कितना अधिक करता है, ये निकालेंगे। सो 8B, 8C is what is the proportion of money spent by family 1 and 2 on education. तो similarly in this question or this question same type, 1 and 2 family education यानी शिक्षा is a sector in this pie chart shown in figure. Then ratio, proportion of money, so find out ratio. Another part, what would be the angle at the center? Angle at the center of pie diagram, money spent on housing by family 1. So in this sector, angle equals to money spent on housing, money spent on housing by total into 360. This formula is applicable in this segment. And last, how much money has been spent by family 1 and 2 together on mixed item? This sector, first of all, find out mixed item. So for detailed explanation, every part of in this question, first of all we find A BPSC main exam 69. How much or more amount of money is spent on education by family 2 as compared to family 1. So in this segment, first of all, solution for family 1. For family 1, from figure, expenditure percent on education equals to 12% from figure 1. Total income of family A equals to 4 lakhs. So total expenditure of a family 1 is 4 lakh. I equals to B. Then expenditure on education equals to 12% of 4 lakhs equals to 48. Operation is done by calculator. For family 2, for family 2, expenditure percent on education equals to 8. Total income of a family 2 equals to 5 lakh, and total expenditure of a family 2 equals to 5 lakh. Expenditure on education equals to 8% of 5 lakhs equals to 40,000. Hence, expenditure on education of family 1 greater than 1 का जो है सो ग्रेटर एक्सपेंडिचर है कंपेरिजन टू expenditure on education of family 2 or 48,000 40,000. Less amount of money is spent on education by family 2 as compared to family 1. Family 1. Next question, second part, 8b. Which one of the two family? Which one of the two families 1 and 2 spends more amount of money on food and how much comparison of two family 1 and 2 spend more amount of money on food. Yani in this topic, in this question, food item is important sector. Then comparison and then find out how much more. So further consideration for family family 1 expenditure percent on food equals to expenditure percent on food equals to 38 total income 4 lakh, total expenditure 4 lakhs. So total expenditure on food item equals to 38% of 4 lakhs equals to 52152000. Operation done by calculator. 38% of 4 lakh equals to 1,52,000. Similarly, for family second, expenditure percent on food item equals to 33% from figure. Total income 5 lakhs, total expenditure 5 lakhs. So total expenditure on food item equals to 33% of 5 lakhs. equals to 165,000. This operation is done by calculator. Hence, expenditure on food item of family 2 greater expenditure on food item of family 1 means 165,000 greater than 152,000. So hence more amount of money is spent on food is family second. Much amount equals to 165,000 minus 2,000 equals to 13,000. This is the required answer. Conclusion. Family 1, family 2, total 4 lakh, 5 lakh, expenditure percent food equals to 38% or 33%. So this operation is done. So 152,000, 165,000. So more expenditure, family 2 more expenditure on food, hence how much more to difference between this item and this item. So conclusion part. Eight C. This is the third question of in this segment. So see what is the proportion of money proportion of money spent by families families 1 and 2 on education. So third question in this segment, same process for family 1. Total एक्सपेंडिचर, अब क्लियर है कि 4 लाख हो रहा है। एक्सपेंडिचर परसेंट ऑन एजुकेशन इक्वल्स टू 12%. So total expenditure on educational part या item equals to 12% of 4 lakhs equals to 4800. Similarly, for family second, expenditure percent on education equals to 8. Total expenditure equals to 5 lakhs. So total expenditure on educational item या सेक्टर भी बोल सकते हैं, सेक्टर इक्वल्स टू 8% of 5 lakhs equals to 40,000. Required proportion on educational item equals to item F1 and 2, family 1 and 2. Expenditure on education by family 1, expenditure on educational item by F family 2, 40,000 48 by 40, 3030 cancel, 4 into 12, 4 into 10, 12 by 10, 6 into 2, 5 into 2, 6 by 5, 6:5. This is the required proportion or ratio. Fourth segment, D part. What would be the angle? What would be the angle at the center of pie chart or pie diagram of money spent on housing, by family one. So in this segment only family one is consideration in mind. For family one, total expenditure equals to 4 lakhs. Total expenditure 4 lakhs. Expenditure percent on house equals to 19%. So total expenditure on housing part equals to 19% of 4 lakhs equals to 76,000. So required central angle made by family one at the center of pie diagram equals to expenditure on housing sector, total expenditure into 360 degree. So 76,000 divided by 4 lakhs into 360. Equals to, this operation is done by calculator, 68.4 degrees. So this is the required answer. And last segment in this question, 8E part, how much money has been spent? How much money has been spent? By family 1 and 2 together on mixed items. same technique is used. And last in this segment, total mixed item, family 1, mixed item family 2, and then last together is combined form. This is the required answer. So first of all, for family 1, expenditure percent on mixed item, total expenditure of family 1 equals to 4 lakh. So mixed item 31%. So total expenditure on mixed item by family 1, 31% of 4 lakhs equals to 124,000. This process is done by calculator. Similarly, for family second, expenditure percent on mixed item equals to 32%. Total expenditure equals to 5 lakh. So total expenditure on mixed equals to 32% of 5 lakhs equals to 160,000. For the last, total expenditure or total spent money by family 1 and 2 together equals to 124,000 plus 160,000 equals to 482. This is the required answer. So in this video we discuss 65 mains question number 8 all together. Detail study in English medium volume 2 and volume 1 आप अधिक पढ़ाई करने के लिए और बीपीएससी में निश्चित सफलता के लिए अंग्रेजी माध्यम के दोनों बुक का स्टडी कर सकते हैं। वॉल्यूम 1 और वॉल्यूम 2 बहुत ही अच्छी बुक हैं, जिसका आप अध्ययन करके और ऑनलाइन क्लास के लिए आप आदित्य IAS ऐप को डाउनलोड करके प्ले स्टोर से पढ़ सकते हैं, या विशेष जानकारी के लिए 9934902040 9835406716 इस पर संपर्क सकते हैं। और बुक मंगवाने के लिए आप इसी नंबर पर व्हाट्सएप या कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, जिससे आपको बाज़ार में भी या कुरियर से आप तक पहुंच जाएगा। तो आप ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन दोनों क्लास कर सकते हैं। अशोक राजपथ पटना यूनिवर्सिटी मेन गेट के ठीक सामने। और जिनको बोर्डिंग रोड में भी क्लास करना हो तो इस नंबर पर संपर्क कर सकते हैं। इंग्लिश मीडियम हिंदी मीडियम में क्लास उपलब्ध है। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।